Hi, welcome back guys. Today in this video we are talking about how to fix PayPal money on hold problem. Why do you want to know how to fix PayPal money hold on problem? Well, maybe I think you're going and you're facing right through this problem, right? And your money is on hold. So today I will show you how to fix PayPal money on hold problem easily. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there, right? So just let me inform you that why PayPal hold your money. So you don't have to get scared if your PayPal hold your money, because PayPal hold when you are new to PayPal, or you have done something unusual activities, or you have changed your business, or you have done your transaction from a different or to a new ID, or from a new person, right? So then PayPal hold it. So basically if they hold it, you have to just go to the activities here, and on the activities which is on top, and after that you will able to see here all the transaction, right? And if this transaction is on hold, you will get to see that in the status it will show hold. So basically you have to click on that transaction, and after that it will show an option that request to sender, right? So basically if you just click on the request to sender, and after that it will send a message to to the sender who have sent you that money, and he have to confirm it that he have sent you the money, right? After that, after the confirmation of the sender, you will get your money, right? So basically you will get a email and you have to confirm it, and this is it. So there you go guys. If you want to know how to fix PayPal money on hold problem, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to fix PayPal money on hold problem, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.